Hello friends, is your car giving you trouble with misfires, rough idling, or even failing to start? If you've scanned your vehicle and found code P0372, it's a warning sign that your engine's timing reference signal is not working correctly. Ignoring this issue can lead to poor performance, increased fuel consumption, and even engine damage. In this video, we'll explain what P0372 means, common symptoms, the exact sensor location, and the best fixes to get your car running smoothly again. Let's get started. What is P0372? P0372 stands for Timing Reference High Resolution Signal A, too few pulses. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is detecting fewer than expected timing pulses from the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. Without the correct number of signals, your engine's timing becomes unstable, leading to misfires and hesitation. Common symptoms of P0372: check engine light, CL, is on, engine misfires and rough idling, hesitation or stalling while driving, loss of power and weak acceleration, hard starting or no start condition, and poor fuel economy. If you're experiencing these problems, checking the sensor location is the next step. Sensor location, where to check. The crankshaft and camshaft position sensors work together to ensure proper engine timing. If either of these sensors sends fewer pulses than expected, the PCM flags a P0372 error. Key locations to inspect: crankshaft position sensor, CKP, usually located near the crankshaft pulley, harmonic balancer or flywheel. Camshaft position sensor, CMP, found on the engine's cylinder head near the timing cover. Sensor wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded or loose connections leading to these sensors. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. A failing PCM can misread sensor signals and trigger P0372. Tip: sensor locations can vary based on the vehicle model. Check your repair manual for exact positioning. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0372 error code. First, a faulty crankshaft position sensor or CKP might be the culprit. A failing sensor may send incomplete timing signals. Second, a defective camshaft position sensor or CMP could be the issue. If the CMP sensor malfunctions, it may produce fewer pulses than needed. Third, wiring issues. Corroded, damaged, or disconnected wires can interrupt the signal. Fourth, a bad powertrain control module or PCM. If the PCM isn't reading sensor inputs correctly, it may misinterpret timing pulses. Fifth, timing chain or belt problems. If stretched or misaligned, your engine's timing can be thrown off. And finally, low battery voltage or electrical issues. A weak battery or failing alternator can cause inconsistent sensor signals. Now, how do you fix the P0372 error code? Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Scan for additional codes with an OBD-II scanner to check for related issues. Step 2. Inspect the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors for any damage and replace if needed. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Fix any loose or corroded connections. Continuing with the steps to fix the P0372 error code. Step 4. Check battery voltage and alternator output to rule out electrical problems. Step 5. If everything looks fine, inspect the timing chain or belt for misalignment. Step 6. Clear the code using an OBD2 scanner and take your car for a test drive. Now for some final thoughts. The P0372 error code can seriously affect your car's performance, but fixing it early can prevent major repairs. Checking the sensor, wiring, and timing system will help restore your engine's normal function. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0042, HO2, S heater control circuit, Bank 1 sensor 3, and P0043, HO2, S heater control circuit low, Bank 1 sensor 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.